I welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about reading bar graphs. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is representation of data by the bars either horizontally or vertically. Let us look at the problem. Solve. The maximum amount sold occurred with the number of dash cards. Now we need to know the maximum amount. Sports cards sold. This is y-axis where sports is represented, and this is x-axis where quantity is represented. And we have 4 bars. This one is for football, this one is for baseball, this one is for basketball, and this one is for hockey. Now here, which is the longest bar we can see? Baseball. So the maximum amount sold will occur through the baseball cards. We can highlight our answer A, baseball. Next problem. Solve. What is the title of this graph? Now this is the title of the graph always, and the title should correspond with the graph. Months is represented on y-axis, dollars is represented on x-axis, and our title is money invested in math products. So it corresponds with money invested, right? So we have our answer as A part, money invested in math products. Let's look at the next problem. Solve. The minimum amount bought occurred with the number of dash. Now quantity is represented on y-axis here, so the minimum amount we will locate is on y-axis, and the number of pets will be located at x-axis. This is the longest path. This cannot be the minimum amount. Let us look at other 2 bars. Just look at the level. They are at equal level on the y-axis, so the minimum amount would occur with both of them, that is cats and dogs. We can highlight the answer B, dogs, cats. Next problem. Solve. What is the title of this graph? Again, the title of the graph will be sports cards bought. Sports is reflected on y-axis, quantity on x-axis for football, baseball, and basketball. So we can highlight our answer sports cards bought, that is B part. I hope you can read more bar graphs using these rules and formulas. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.